This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
Go MMT की शान.
It is a show where we acknowledge those who are achievers at MMT. इसीलिए शो का नाम है Go MMT की शान. और आज लोकेश मित्तल हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं इस शो पर. दिस इज गो एमएमटी रेडियो. आई एम योर होस्ट एनी. ही इज फ्रॉम द ऑनलाइन प्रोडक्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट. मैंने पता किया है बस अभी लोकेश से ही कि 11 साल के ऊपर हुए हैं कि वो यहाँ पर इस कंपनी में मौजूद हैं, इस कंपनी के फैमिली मेम्बर रहे हैं और काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करते आए हैं. इनफैक्ट द अवार्ड दैट ही हैज़ रिसीव्ड दिस ईयर is the Exemplary Achiever of the Year, CEO's Ring of Honor 2025. और recently श्रीलंका भी होकर आ चुके हैं with the founder and the co-founder. I think this is one of the trips that you actually end up winning. Lokesh, it is such a pleasure to have you on the show. Welcome.
Thank you, Annie. The pleasure is all mine.
लोकेश, अच्छा लग रहा है ना Go MMT की शान कहते हुए आपको?
Yes, takes a lot of proud and feel good factor.
Yes. अब आप जब श्रीलंका में गए थे आपने बड़े मजे किए होंगे ऐसे मुझे पता चला है. हाँ, तो इसीलिए आपको सवाल ये होगा, सबकी पीपीटी में 6 मेंबर्स थे और आपकी 7 मेंबर्स थे, इसलिए तो नहीं क्योंकि आपने एंड में फर्स्ट अपनी पीपीटी भेज दी थी. हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
The experience was wonderful, and it was basically we included our mentor for the PPT, Ajita as well, the 7th member of our pod.
Right.
So it was a wonderful experience delivering firsthand your ideas and creative thoughts to the founders directly and
Yes.
getting feedback and their directions on the ideas.
उनके आइडियाज, उनके डायरेक्शन को पाना सीधे सीधे सामने बैठे बैठे, क्या उन्होंने अमल किया आपके आइडिया पर और बाद में आपके साथ और डिस्कशंस की?
Our ideas were well received. I think both Deep and Rajesh, they kind of appreciated all our ideas, especially and the PPT designs. So we had some fun elements baked in for them on every of the ideas.
ये क्या फन एलिमेंट्स थे?
So this was basically for all of the ideas. We had used AI to plug them into the same idea. For example, if we were pitching an idea on car rentals, so we had used AI to put in Deep Sir and Rajesh driving a car and enjoying that moment.
ओह, क्या बात है.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त?
You serious?
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Go MMT की शान.
On Go MMT Radio with Go MMT की शान लोकेश मित्तल. लोकेश, बताना, ये जो ट्रिप आपने किया था श्रीलंका, इसमें तो आपकी पूरी फैमिली थी, आपका बेटा भी था, तो आपको देखते हुए कि आपको अवार्ड मिला है और सब लोग आपको इतना अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, he was also pretty happy and proud. How was that experience? How did you feel?
That was one of the sweetest gestures that I could have imagined that would come out, and hats off to everyone who has planned that. Because most of the time when you're working, you're putting your day in day out on that. Family takes a back seat majority of the times, and you don't get to get those candid feedbacks from them.
Correct.
How they feel when you get that award or whenever you are being praised.
Correct.
And when the moment that stole the heart was my kid was giving me a flying kiss, and that is what I realized in the video only that yes.
So good यार, so sweet, so sweet. चलिए, जीके क्विज आपने चूज किया है, ये प्ले करने का वक्त आ गया है. क्या आप रेडी हैं इसके लिए? Okay, let's start with the very first question. अच्छा, ये ना फोन्स को लेकर है, देखते हैं आपकी मेमोरी इतनी अच्छी है या नहीं. What phone company produced the 3310?
Nokia.
Yeah, oh my god, not bad at all. Which art form is described as decorative handwriting या फिर handwritten lettering? इसको क्या कहते हैं?
Calligraphy.
Yes. By any chance you have an idea how many minutes are there in a full week? एक रफ फिगर भी दिया तो भी चलेगा.
Okay.
Take a few seconds, calculate if you want. Come on.
I'm just trying to do that in my head. You asking for minutes in a full week.
Yes, I'm asking.
Close to 10,500.
Yes, it is. It is 10,080 to be precise. I wouldn't have expected, but you did it quite fast. Very good. Which part of the continent is India in?
Oh, Asia.
It is Asia. The only desert in India.
Thar.
Yes, it is correct. What is the main source of light in the day for us?
Sunlight.
Yes. Who is the first Mughal ruler of India?
Babur.
Okay. Which is the bird that is famous for its dance and the beauty of its feathers?
Peacock.
The tallest animal. Which one is the tallest animal?
Giraffe.
That is absolutely right. And one last question I have for you is, if an object does not allow light to pass through it, then what is it called?
Opaque.
That is absolutely right. Well done, Lokesh. Congratulations.
Go MMT Radio.
Hello Go Trippers, our customers are our brand ambassadors, and so here's requesting that each one of us inculcate customer focus as a part of our value system in our day-to-day jobs. Hello, I'm Mohit Kabra and you're listening to Go MT Radio, headset go.
Go MMT की शान.
I'm with Lokesh Mittal, online products में है, गुड़गांव में based है, and yes, he's won the CEO's Ring of Honor. श्रीलंका भी होकर आए हुए हैं ये, and he's been in the organization for at least 11 years now. My next question to you, Lokesh, is आपकी टीम ने कितने eggs save किए? क्योंकि first तो नहीं आ पाए sports activity में.
We were able to save 3, and ideally we should get some advantage because our team actually went underwater and were able to save 3.
काफी exciting games रही थी आपके लिए, हाँ, श्रीलंका में?
Yeah.
So how many days of a trip was this?
This was 2 days trip.
उसमें आपने अंडरवाटर जाके भी गेम्स खेल लिए?
We were able to do party, we were able to do a presentation, we were able to do games, we were able to do some sightseeing, I think.
अच्छा, आपकी बस भी फुल रेडी थी फॉर कोलंबो. आपकी सेल्फी देखी है लोगों ने, बाय द वे. तो ये जो मजा आप कर रहे थे while going to कोलंबो, या वो स्टार्टिंग की ग्रुप सेल्फी के लिए था, क्या था? What was all this fun about?
So it was basically that it was like 2.5 kind of a journey to Colombo, and like we on that particular day we had sports, then we went into see with some of our friends to enjoy for half an hour, and then it was a trip to Colombo. So we said let's make the 2.5 hours also enjoyable, make it memorable.
क्या बात
So it
है.
was a fun trip.
I guess now you have ticked off Sri Lanka on your bucket list, ना? Bucket list के off हो गए हैं,
Yes.
क्योंकि आप जाके आ चुके हैं. और इतने सालों में भी आपने काफी ट्रैवल किया है?
Off lately, no. Since my child was born, I have been not able to travel much. But now this year, my goals are to travel. And Sri Lanka is one of the places that I would want my family also to visit because it's actually very beautiful, very clean, and the civic sense is awesome.
Oh, lovely.
And other than that, I think I'm more of a beach person in that sense, and I want to enjoy the beach with my kid. It would be his first beach visit, so that is in the top bucket list for kid, Krabi, and Sri Lanka.
Damn nice. It's now time for the last game of the show, the last segment. उससे पहले मैं आपको पूछना चाहूंगी, ये जो ट्रिप आपने किया श्रीलंका, आप होकर आए with the other winners. If you have to describe this journey in 3 words, what would they be?
Well, I can do it in one. It was transformational.
क्या बात है. Well done and congratulations once again कि आप ने CEO's Ring of Honor जीता है. आपने अपने टीम के साथ ये खिताब जीता है and you're very proud of this. MMT is very proud of you, which is why today you are recognized as Go MMT Kishan and you're on a radio show to celebrate your win. So this is the last game and it's pretty simple. It's wrong answers only. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's see how creative you can get, huh?
The rapid fire round.
How do you ace a math test?
By learning English.
Well done. What is the secret to career success?
Do not work at all.
What does the tooth fairy do during the day?
Combs my hair.
Oh, combs your hair and all. What comes after 30th October?
1st January.
How many poles does a magnet have?
5.
The lowermost layer of the atmosphere is called?
Earth.
Who sang the song Shape of You?
I did.
Good. Who invented the light bulb?
My friend did.
Oh, your friend did. Well done. What is the perfect wedding gift?
An alimony contract.
And the last question is, what is the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet?
It's A.
Well done, Lokesh. Well done. It was quite a lot of fun to have you on the show, and I hope you have enjoyed it too.
Very much. It was very fun.
Thank you, Lokesh, for your time. And once again, congratulations to you and your team for being Go MMT की शान. आपने CEO's Ring of Honor जीता है. ये खिताब आपके लीडरशिप की वजह से आपको मिली है, आपके टीम को मिली है. And I'm sure they are also very proud and happy to be a part of your team. That is the winning team at MMT. All the very best for the future. Hope you win many more such awards.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you a lot.
Lokesh Mittal, Go MMT की शान from the online products department based out of Gurgaon on Go MMT Radio. This is your host Annie signing off. Until we meet again, which is on Friday with Filmy Friday, you stay cool and keep traveling.
Annual health चेकअप कराना है, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है. हुआ अगर आप 33 के तो जल्दी करवा लो अपना चेकअप, ये जरूरी है. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. ब्लड प्रेशर, शुगर और कोलेस्ट्रॉल सब कुछ चेक करवा लो. ये है प्रोटोकॉल, डॉक्टर से मिलो, अपनी रिपोर्ट लो. हेल्थी लाइफस्टाइल अपनाओ और फिट रहो. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. एक्सरसाइज करो, हेल्थी खाना खाओ, स्ट्रेस को दूर भगाओ और खुश रहो. रेगुलर चेकअप से बीमारियों को रोको, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, ये याद रखो. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. जल्दी से अपॉइंटमेंट लो और अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाओ. To know more, connect with HR operations team now. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है, इसलिए हेल्थ चेकअप जरूरी है. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना है, एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप कराना है. कराना है.
एक्सक्लूसिव ट्रिपर्स के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव बेनिफिट्स और एक्सक्लूसिव ऑफर्स. गुड़गांव ट्रिपर्स, ये बात जो है वो आपको ध्यान से सुनना है. देयर इज दिस डे डेडिकेटेड ओनली टू MMT. डिस्काउंट होगा OPD कंसल्टेशंस पर, आपके लिए भी और आपके पूरे फैमिली के लिए भी. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री डेंटल कंसल्टेशन भी है और रिड्यूस्ड वेटिंग टाइम एंड डेडिकेटेड सपोर्ट. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज हैपनिंग ऑन My Health Day, dedicated to your annual health checkup. वैसे MMT ने पार्टनर किया है with 2 of the city's leading hospitals to offer you a choice for your health checkup on 15th of February, which is on a Sunday. इसीलिए बिल्कुल भी मिस नहीं कीजिएगा. तो ये माई हेल्थ डे हो रहा है मेदांता में और मैक्स में. मेदांता ऑफ कोर्स इज द गोल्फ कोर्स रोड गुड़गांव सेंटर एंड मैक्स इज द हुडा सिटी सेंटर. सो मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ दिस गुड़गांव ट्रिपर्स, बिकॉज MMT always cares for you. You're listening to Go MMT Radio. Stay tuned.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.